Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to split a cell horizontally in Google Sheets in just a few steps. So let's get started. So first, yes, we need to open a file that you wanted to split a cell. So here I have the sample. So if you're done opening your documents, or you're good to go. So first thing we need to do is, if we want to, like this list of names, we want to separate the first and its last name to other column. So all we need to do is to highlight this list of names. So after that, you go to um, data. So go down and you will see here a split text to columns. So click that one. So after that, you will see a separator by which you can choose detect automatically, comma, semicolon, period, or space. So let's just select space, guys. So if you click that one, you'll see the result. Okay, so the first name and its last name is successfully separated. So let me give you another example. So like this one, we want to separate this or split this cell. So just type a formula of equal split and open and close, open and select what type, what cell you want to split. So let me choose this one, and after that click comma and type, yeah, this one, and comma and close parenthesis and just enter, press enter. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so let's drag it down. Okay, they're all successfully separated or split. So I hope you guys learn and enjoy this quick tutorial. So please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Google Sheets. Thank you.